Hi, in this video we're going through how to add a new post to your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan and I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through how to add a brand new post to your WordPress website. So let's start by heading to the WordPress dashboard. So assuming you're logged in, it should be just /WP admin. And away we go, and that'll take you to the dashboard. If you've not logged in or you don't know how to, there's a link in the description below which will take you through it. The next thing we want to do is mouse over, not click the posts, and then click add new. Now, if you can't see this, it just means your account isn't elevated enough to be able to access this part of the site, in which case you just need to ask the person who is managing your site to elevate your account. So click on add new. That'll take you through to a new page, and I'm just going to use some lorem ipsum text, some placeholder text, which I've got on the other screen here. So that's over, and we'll make a bit of an article there. So just cutting and pasting into there, and let's give this a bit of space as well because we can. Excellent. Now you can the next thing to do is to head over to the post block here. And if you can't see that, just click on the little cog up the top. Scroll down to the category if you have categories there, and click on whichever category you want. In this case, we're just going to use examples. And then scroll down to set featured image if you have an image to set. So we're just going to use something from Unsplash here. There we go. And set featured image, you can see there, and that's good to go. In fact, let's pop that into breaking. All right, so that is done, and the next thing to do is just hit that publish button. You'll get another prompt. There we go, and we can view the post, and we can see there's our elephant, and there is our information. Now, because this is in the breaking news category, WordPress will automatically assign it to that news category as well. So we can either click the tag here if your theme has that, where it takes you through all of the other ones, or in this case, it will also get dropped onto the homepage. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see some more tips, check out the videos on the left, or if you're new to the channel and would like to get tips regularly, click that subscribe and that notification button. Stay safe. Wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.